Reading and writing list of lists is very intuitive and just matter of use of what we learned already. So let's say that we would like to print list of list here. We can just iterate here, and for every list we just print a list. So it's going to print this list, this list, this list. What if you would like to print it without all of these commas and brackets? You just would like to print them like normal spaces. Remember the asterisk operator? The asterisk operator will convert this list to like a bunch of arguments. So it will be here 4 arguments, 2 arguments, 5 arguments, and all of them will be printed in normal way. So this is a nice printing, and for faster printing, it's useful to learn how to iterate on the specific indices. So we can iterate definitely with 2 for loops on the items, but we can actually make it like a more index based. For example, I can iterate over I for the length of the lists. This would be 3 here, and then j for the length of the ith list. So now in I0 the length of list of 0 would be 4. In I1 the length of list of 1 will be 2, and then the length would be 5. And here we're accessing the index with I and j. Sometimes we have to iterate row wise or order wise to get things done. Sometimes this happens. To read, it's again straightforward. You typically need to read an integer on a specific line for the number of rows, then read in the lines. Something like you read the number of rows, create number of lists based on the number of rows that you have, then for every row just go ahead and read a line, convert it to integers, and return it back. This is reading a list of integer, nothing more fancy than that. That's all.